How to fix Instagram message problem. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can fix Instagram message problem. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So the first thing that you might want to do is check for your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data, and if you're not, you can just simply turn on your Wi-Fi or mobile data and make sure you have a strong and secure connection. After that, what you can do is you can just go ahead and restart your iPhone. So you can do that at the end of the video as well. So to do that, you'll basically need to press and release the volume up button, press and release the volume down button, long press on the side button until the Apple logo appears. Then your iPhone will restart. Now finally, heading over to the app specific fixes, what you might want to do is update the app to the latest version. To do that, open up your app store. You'll find the search bar, head over to search and search for Instagram. After you search for Instagram, you should find Instagram right here. Open that up. And if you see an update button instead of an open button, tap on update and update the app. After you've done that, you can also try clearing out the cache. To do that, tap on settings. Let me head back. There we go. Now on your settings, you will find general. Tap on general. Then head over to iPhone storage. Tap on iPhone storage. After it loads, search for Instagram, scroll down and open up Instagram. Now there you will find an option called offload app. Tap on offload app and then offload your app. After you've done that, you'll see a reinstall button instead of offload. Tap on reinstall and then you can download it back again. Doing that will clear out the cache. And that should fix your problem as well. And yeah, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.